Yes, hi guys, welcome again to Sure Gold, sponsored by goldminearoma. We just want to make a simple recipe today, which is butter. You know, when you go to grocery stores these days and you realize you want to do some shopping for homes and everything has gone up. Prices of grocery has gone up. So there are little here and there that you can make for homes, and this is one of it today. So I got my whipped cream. It's just 2 items. If you want it to be salted, I love slice of salt tasting, so you just drop a pinch of salt in it, and that's just it. A pinch of salt. Then you whip. I just pour my water to rinse out the buttermilk from it. See, nice and cute. Ta-da! I gained twice. I have my butter and I have my buttermilk. So guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Kindly follow us, subscribe now, share and like. I'll see you in another video. Thank you very much for always watching.